Consumers are going nuts for crossover SUVs, and the subcompact segment in particular has seen a big influx of entries with vehicles like the Honda HR-V, Toyota CHR, Mazda CX-3, and Jeep Renegade. Then there's this, the Buick Encore, that originally launched in 2013 to carve its own niche out in the class, being a slightly more luxurious option. And that's paid off, because the little Encore is Buick's best seller. Take a closer look and you can see why people gravitate to it. Styling updates last year brought a more sculpted front end with new headlights and waterfall grille to be clean and inoffensive. For some extra flash, this premium model is equipped with available chrome wheels. Inside, there's lots of soft touch materials, comfortable leather seats, intuitively laid out controls, tons of headroom, and generous cargo carrying capabilities with 18.8 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats. Folding the back seats opens up things to 48.4 cubic feet. It's also quiet in here with laminated glass and a Bose noise cancellation system. As for complaints, the driver's seat in this test car squeaks when you shift around in it, and strangely, you can't even get a front passenger side armrest. And with the back seats, you can carry two people in okay comfort, but if you roll 3 deep back there, it's gonna get snug. Infotainment is handled by an IntelliLink system with an 8-inch touchscreen featuring navigation, a nice Bose audio system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the always good OnStar 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. Screen response isn't instant, but it's okay, and the main menu screens have large icons to quickly get you to where you want. Safety stuff include a blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, rear view camera with rear cross traffic alert, and forward collision warning. But things like automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control aren't available, which is a bummer in this supposedly more luxury-focused vehicle. For an extra $895, this Encore is powered by a 1.4-liter turbocharged direct-injected 4-cylinder with 153 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, returning 27 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. It's far from fast with the upgraded engine, but I highly recommend it over the base 138 horsepower unit. Power is enough for expressway merging, with shifts from the 6-speed trans feeling a smidge slow, but that's with an empty car and front-wheel drive. For $1,500, you can get the Encore with all-wheel drive, and that adds about 120 pounds. And if you throw in some passengers, I can see it feeling sluggish off the line. It's certainly no corner carver. If you want that, you probably want to look at the Mazda CX-3, but for daily running, it's tuned right. The suspension damps out impacts well, steering response isn't bad, and still takes turns confidently on the 18-inch wheels. It's just not exciting to drive, but it is comfortable, and there's a lot of people looking for that, as proven by the Encore's strong sales numbers. If you're looking for something a little plusher in the subcompact crossover segment, really the Buick Encore is the option then. It's got a reasonable $24,000 base price, but be forewarned, climbing up the lineup to get more features and tech does make the price tag climb in a hurry. Case in point, this wall option premium model is $35,630, which does feel a little steep.